If you've been searching for Welnom, Bemapex, or Dragonwex, you've probably seen some big promises online. They all claim to offer great value and make life easier. But the real question is simple. Are they actually legit, or should you stay away? Let's find out. After looking into these names, one thing became clear. There isn't a lot of trustworthy information available. That's always something to keep in mind. A legitimate business usually has a clear online presence, company details, and genuine customer feedback. When researching Welnom, Bemapex, and Dragonwex, I found very limited verified information. That's not automatically proof that they're scams, but it also doesn't build much confidence. Before spending your money, it's important to know exactly who you're buying from. One of the first things I always check is customer reviews. Look for reviews on independent websites instead of only trusting testimonials shown on the company's own page. If every review sounds overly perfect or looks copied, that's definitely a warning sign. Next, check the company's contact information. A legitimate business should have a working email address, customer support, and clear return or refund policies. If you can't easily find those details, think twice before placing an order. Another thing to watch is pricing. If Welnom, Bemapex, or Dragonwex are offering deals that seem far cheaper than every other seller, be careful. Extremely low prices are often used to attract buyers quickly. Also, pay attention to the website itself. Does it look professional? Are the product descriptions detailed? Is the checkout process secure? Small details like these can reveal a lot about a business. Based on everything I found, I can't confidently say that Welnom, Bemapex, or Dragonwex are completely legitimate. At the same time, I also don't have enough verified evidence to call them outright scams. Right now, I'd recommend being cautious and doing your own research before making a purchase. If you decide to buy, use a payment method that offers buyer protection, keep copies of your receipts, and avoid sending money through methods that can't be reversed.